have complexity and play a difficult instrument, but it's also really fun to just go back and play it. It's really fun. That's a good catch on that technique. On a technical side, on a technical note, because I like to think about technical things, what you're doing is an octave. It's like if you're singing low, high, right? Those two notes are the same. Low, high. It's actually jumping it up an octave. That's what you're doing technically. There's other spots on the drum where you get different notes if you take the time to learn it. You know, there's all this cool stuff hidden in the drum head, you know, that you wouldn't know was there until you just play.